Hello everyone, welcome back to Talented Developer. Till now we have covered decision making statement. Now it is practice time. So in this video I am going to give you three problem and you have to find the solution by your own, and at the end of the video I will also help you like how you can resolve this one. So problem number 1, odd or even. So here you have to write a Java program that takes an integer input from the user and check whether the number is even or odd. You can use here if-else statement to solve this problem, but make sure to take input from the user by using the scanner class. So here if user will enter input as a 4, then output will be like the number is even. Similarly, if the input is 7, then you have to show message like the number is odd. So problem number 2, maximum of 3 numbers. So here also you can use if else or nested if else statement. So you have to write a problem that accepts 3 number from user and print the largest of the 3. Here you can use easily if else or nested if else statement. So the input will be look like 3, 8, 5. Then output will be like the largest number is 8. So here if you want you can twist the code, you can change it, but make sure you are able to find the maximum of 3 numbers. So the next problem, grade calculator. Here you have to write a Java program that takes an integer score between 0 and 100 as input from the user and output a grade based on the following criteria. So here 90 to 100, that means grade A, 80 to 89 grade B, 70 to 79 grade C, 60 to 69 grade D, or anyone scoring less than 60, that means grade F. So here you can use switch statement to solve this issue. So here if user will enter the input as 85, then output will be here grade B. Similarly, if someone enters 65, that means grade D. So let's talk about solution. I have already made a video to how to solve odd and even number. You can check this video and you can change as for your requirement. The maximum of 3 number, you can please check this video. Here I am solving similar kind of problem. Grade calculator, I made a separate video with exactly like whatever problem I asked you in the beginning of the video. So see you in the next video where we are going to discuss about looping statement.